Today I'm going to show you how to paint some festive designs with salt. Here's what you will need. Paint, colours of your choice, PVA glue, TechFest templates that we provided, or you can use blank pieces of paper to create your own design. Here are some examples: paintbrushes, salt, and a tray. The first thing to do is water down your paint. A few drops of water should work for this. Then take your PVA glue and trace the outline of your shape. Place your paper into a tray and pour salt all over the paper. Remember to shake off any excess into the tray. Leave your paper to the side for a couple of minutes to dry. Now it's time for the fun part. Take your paint and tap it over the salt. Notice what happens. So you're probably wondering what the science is behind this. Well, salt is a hygroscopic, which means it can absorb both liquid and water vapor in the air. This fun activity is a great way to learn about absorption. The salt that we sprinkle onto our glue design in this activity absorbs the water and the paint through a chemical reaction. When the water touches the salt, the water and the ink are absorbed and spread throughout the salt, which you can see on your designs. Here are my finished designs. We would love to see your creations, so please do send us some photos on social media. You can find us on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook.